Hi guys, welcome to Total Technik. In this video we are going to show you how to remove the dashboard end panels. This is for the A6, S6 or RS6 C5 platform. The same process applies for both sides, so let's do it. Okay, now if you look at the dash end panel here, you've got this little kind of cutout section in it there, and that's kind of the key for getting these out. Now you can kind of get a traditional screwdriver in there, but as you can see it can damage the end of the dashboard. So if you've got something plastic like a trim tool, that's much better if you've got one available. So what you want to do is work that in like so, and then literally from the front there just start working your fingers around the edges, just popping it out. There. As you get to the back, as you heard, it just kind of popped out there. And that's why you've got to work your fingers around to get to the back. You don't want to be trying to lift it from here to try and get something out that's on the back, so you'll just end up snapping the whole thing in half. So as you lift it, bring the fingers around, and that'll help you pop the back out. And just give the thing a bit of a wobble forward, and there you can kind of see what it was that we were trying to do. So there's the clips. This isn't really a compression clip, this just sits in this hole here, but the ones in the back do need a little bit of strength when you kind of drive these forward. So again, I'll show you this going back in, but basically these metal clips, they sit on these two kind of cutouts, one top and bottom here, and so when you come to put this back in, you want to give that back a good wiggle, click it into place like so, and then that one there will just kind of pop back into situ like so. So I'll just zip that out again real quick for you, in like so, make it all the way to the back, and then just start to draw it forward and pop those two rear clips out like so, and that is it.